Yellaruge Namaskara. It's my privilege to welcome you all in West Karnataka 2025. Karnataka epitomizes best of many worlds. It's a land of ancient heritage. It is known for its scenic beauty. You know all about our diverse flora and fauna, and of course, art, culture, and literature. We are also known as a land of innovation and technological prowess. In fact, you can see that we are the startup capital of not only India, we stand third globally. If you look at, we are the unicorn capital. The R&D, the 40% of the R&D of the country happens in Karnataka. And of course, global capability centers and the global in-house center, 35% of the country come from Karnataka alone. And all this is possible because of its people. They're highly talented, highly gifted people. And that has made Karnataka one of the leaders in many sectors. If you look at the talent pool that I'm talking about, we have the second largest hub in the world when it comes to artificial intelligence. We have 20,000 chip designers that are working in Karnataka, 100,000 PhDs. And this has made Karnataka a leader. If you talk about aerospace and defense, according to Financial Times, Karnataka, Bengaluru is the only city from India that ranks in the top three in the world. If you look at electronic design, 40% share of electronic design of the country comes from Karnataka alone. If you are looking at IT, of course, we are known as the Silicon Valley of India. 40% of the India's exports come from Karnataka. If you are looking at machine tools, now machine tool is the foundation stone of all manufacturing, and 52% share of the country comes from Karnataka. If 50% share again when it comes to Madam Kiran Majumdar is here. We have the largest ecosystem of fermentation technology in Asia, not just in India, when it comes to the biotechnology. Of course, renewable energy is the most important considering the global warming. 65% of our total installed capacity comes from the renewable sources, and we are adding to that. We are the home, now talking about the core industries. Again, we have Mr. Jindal here. We are the home to the India's largest single location steel producing facility in India. Uh, Fourth largest, of course, in automotive, we are a little behind. But when it comes to policy making, we are number one in the when electric vehicle, the trends were just starting to come. Karnataka came out with the policy, and now India's first gigafactory of the battery manufacturing is coming up in Bengaluru. And of course, before Karnataka was the IT capital and the aerospace and defense capital, it was the government capital of India. Now, all this is possible because Karnataka had been reinventing itself. It has been able to read the trends that have been coming and making the policies accordingly so that we can take advantage of the changes that is taking place globally. And which is why this time, the theme for this global investors meet is reimagining growth. This has to be seen in the context of the four challenges that we are facing. Of course, the geopolitics that we see right now, we are seeing wars in some parts of the world. We are also seeing a Cold War happening between the US and China. Global warming is the second challenge that we are facing, and how the world will come together to face it. The third is, of course, the artificial intelligence, how we will regulate it, how we will use it for the benefit of the world. And of course, when we are looking at changing demography in India, we do not realize, but if you travel to the world, you will find that how the population is plummeting in many parts of the world. And for that, we require a growth. We need to reimagine growth, and which is why the theme is reimagining growth, which has to be tech driven. Of course, we need to increase productivity by using technology, artificial intelligence. It has to be green so that we can ensure we can save our planet. It has to include every communities of the country, and it has to be resilient so that it can withstand any challenge that the world can throw at it. So, talking about the Global Investors Meet, there are the three things that I will speak about. We are having number of speakers who will be coming and talking to you. But we, as a run-up to the Global Investors Meet, did the SME Connect program, where we realized that it is very important to empower the MSME. We have trained trained 2,000 SMEs in manufacturing 4.0, and 100 of those, you'll be happy to know, are in the process, various stages of embracing 4.0, and they are using it in their manufacturing processes. And also, we've been working and training them, and we have created a portal which we call SME Connect to ensure that they can showcase their products. At the same time, we have told OEMs to put all their requirements so that it's artificially enabled portal that we can do the matchmaking. Similarly, we are bringing before you the second edition of Venturize. Now, Venturize, we have seen that a lot of startup, a lot of competitions happen, but they are more related to the IT and services related. This time we have focused more on the manufacturing. The problem statements have come from the industry. So we have three tracks that are running in aerospace and defense, electric vehicle and automotive, and electronic system design manufacturing. And each of these tracks have a prize money of 100,000 US dollar. More than 1,000 people had applied. 48 have been selected, and they are going to be doing their pitching session during these next 2 days. So we will be honoring the winners on our valedictory function. I would also, we have a Future of Innovation Expo, which will be inaugurated tomorrow. Future of Innovation, again, the idea is to showcase the best that Karnataka and the companies that are housed in Karnataka offering to the world. So this is AI solutions shaping the future of manufacturing are going to be showcased in our Future of Innovation Expo. I'm very thankful to the 19 country partners that have supported us in this endeavor, and they have showcased their products. They have got their pavilions. So thank you so much. Now, talking about Karnataka, when we say it is a very blessed state, it's blessed with rich heritage. It's blessed when it comes to nature, and it's also blessed because it has the technological prowess. In fact, they're very beautifully intertwined with each other. And the other pillar that we really very proud of is the partnership that we forged with all the industry leaders. And bringing all of these together is a film which is sponsored by the industries. Kindly play the film.